UV-resistant polyethylene saddles will not rust, rot or deteriorate. Superior quality at an affordable price. Smooth saddles prevent damage to installation. Plastic polyethylene NM cable staple. These polyethylene staples with zinc-plated nails are designed to offer fast and easy installation when securing most types of non-metallic cables. The zinc-plated nails not only resist rust and corrosion but drive together for fast installation with a hammer, while the recessed heads ensure minimum exposure and avoid snags. The smooth polyethylene saddle protects wire and will not rust, rot, or deteriorate. Used to attach all NM cable to joists, framing, and other wood installations. Top reviews from the United States. Good product for securing electrical wire. Easier to use than staples and is insulated as well. Worked great for securing Romex wire to my roof joists.